What is tip number 2 of how to get the best of every training program? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of exploring resolution mastery and how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. In the previous video, I shared with you tip number 1, which was be hungry. This is really important ingredient for all of us to learn what we need to learn in life. The second one, I do believe, is really important, and it's be empty. There is no other way we can take anything additionally into our life unless we are empty. Imagine a glass of water, and if this glass of water is full up to the brim, how much you can add to this water? Generally nothing. Why? Because it's full. And how very often we are going to a training program, or maybe your boss told you have to go and take this course because it's part of your role in the company, but we are going and don't take much of this training. Why? Maybe because we are too full. Maybe we are full up to the brim, and we have to be empty. We have to be empty when we are going to different trainings, even if it's subject when you're really a master of this subject. For example, as me, I'm a former professional dancer. If I go to places, I know enough for dancing. I've been a professional dancer for decades, and I do understand the subject. And if I go to a workshop, I better be empty. I said, okay, let me be empty. Just put my knowledge on a side for a second, and just to be empty and allow more knowledge to come, more understanding to come, just to allow different point of views, different stories to hear, because you never know. As a matter of fact is that in every training, you will hear 3 different parts. The first part is things you already know. Most probably you're going to trainings which are part of your interest. For example, personal development, and maybe you will hear stories, the same stories you already know, and training programs and materials you already know. It's fine. It's fine. The second thing is you will always have things you will hear from different perspective. For example, there might be stories you know, but they can be from different perspective, and something else might be underlined in this story this time. Or you can see the different point of view of the speaker about something you already know, which can be absolutely new for you. And the third thing is, wherever you're going, definitely there will be new things for you. But these new things you will only be able to grasp and to take if you're empty. That's why it's really important to be empty when you're going to all kind of different training programs. Even if it's something that you're paying for yourself, you want to develop, or your boss is sending you because it's part of your role in the company. Wherever you're going, learn, grasp, be empty. Even if you're watching videos on YouTube or training programs online, whatever you're doing, try to be empty before you start a journey, before you go to a particular training, and this will help you to grasp the most of this training program. This is one of the tools I really believe it's really important. So be empty and learn as much as possible. See you tomorrow when I will share a little bit more about what is tip number 3 in our 9 tips for how to get the best of every training program. Thank you for your time. I'll see you soon.